During the development of Ecolect, we took interesting lessons by studying existing SDMX software tools. One of the principles we decided to implement also in Ecolect is versionability and maintainability features of SDMX artifacts. First of all, we decided to extend the term artifact for our purposes. All questionnaires, modules, validations, and other important objects in applications are called artifacts. Each artifact in system has assigned ID, version, and agency that is maintaining the artifact. Another important principle on which is Ecolect based is modularity. Each questionnaire is divided into small sections, so-called modules. Same module can be used across multiple questionnaires. Each questionnaire has assigned multiple modules which determine the questionnaire structure. Each assignment of module to questionnaire has its own properties which include attribute is identificational, attribute open versus close module, last bin attribute. When I click on concrete assignment of module to a questionnaire, I will see the detail screen which contains all these properties. For example, this module in this questionnaire is identificational. That means that all data items in this module are identifying the concrete response of a respondent in a system to this questionnaire. Its identificational properties also used in later processing. For example, during the SDMX integration, all data items from identificational modules are used as dimensions in DSD file. Bin last version of module is also important attribute because each module can have multiple versions, and when I click that this assignment of this module to this questionnaire should be late binded. That means that when I create a new version of a module, always the latest version of the module will be pulled from the database during the visualization of questionnaire. Open module is attribute which determines that module can have multiple rows. Typical example of open module is module in tourism questionnaire. This is the example of open module. I have here two buttons by which I can control the number of records in the module. So this is all about the basic principles used in Ecolect.